In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix settings reverting after updates in Windows 11. Press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Personalization. On the right side, scroll down and click Start. Here, turn off Show Recently Added Apps. Turn off Show Most Used Apps. Turn off Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer. Then turn off Show Recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. These are the options that often get switched back on after a Windows update, which puts suggestions and promotional content back into the Start menu. Next, click Apps in the left sidebar, then click Default Apps. In the search box, search for your preferred browser. Click your browser from the list. At the top, click Set Default if that button is available. Then check the file types and protocols listed on that page. If any of them show Microsoft Edge instead of your browser, click each one, choose your preferred browser from the list, and confirm it. Go back to Default Apps when you're done, and repeat the same process for any other apps you want to verify, like your PDF viewer. Windows updates commonly reset these default app associations, especially for browsers and PDF readers, back to Microsoft Edge. Now click System in the left sidebar, then click Notifications. Scroll down and click Additional Settings. Uncheck Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Also uncheck Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. These two checkboxes control the setup prompts and tip notifications that often return after updates. After that, right-click the taskbar and click Task Manager. In the left sidebar, click Startup Apps. Click the status column header to sort the list by enabled and disabled items. Look through the apps shown here and find any you do not want launching at startup. Apps that commonly get turned back on after updates include Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and Cortana. For each app you want to stop, right-click it and click Disable. When you're finished, close Task Manager. This matters because background startup apps can be re-enabled after updates and may slow down startup. At this point, the main settings that commonly revert after updates have been corrected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your Start menu recommendations are off. Tailored prompts are disabled. Your default apps are set back to your preferred choices. Notification suggestions are turned off, and unwanted startup apps are disabled. After your next Windows update, come back and check these same areas again, since Windows may reset them.